Right, so we're out and about and got a bad neck. Going to try the Tamiya Thundershot. I think I might have named it the hot shot occasionally in my videos. Just habit. Come on, got the dog again. Oh, tripped over. So, Thundershot of all its upgrades, it's not going to be a speed run. It's just a test because I don't want to sort of wreck it, and I don't know how that plastic ball diff that's about 1 million years old will hold up with sort of brushless power. So yeah, same place as we usually go, so it is a little bit off-road, but there's a bit of tarmac as well, so yeah, I'll see you when I get there. Right, here we are, and we're going to try this out, but it's not the speed run, but it goes pretty good. So you can see it's got some punch, and it's just standardly set at the moment, so it's got plenty of go, and I think the it's got yeah, that goes pretty good. It's got a little bit of perhaps front suspension judder off-road, but other than that, yeah, that goes really well. So it would, I don't know what gearing it's on, but it's on a standard like pinion. You know, I think it goes really well. It doesn't sound like it's graunching, and I don't want to like give it like absolutely loads of beans, because if it is got a problem, I don't want to break anything. Yeah, so that seems pretty good, even if the dog doesn't think so. Yeah, I like that. That goes well. Right, let's get some different shots. So I think it handles really well. It's probably not going to be like 70 miles an hour though, I must say, but I don't want to open it out on a road that's not, you know, long enough. But it seems to go alright. So next time we'll get this out, we'll do like an actual speed run, see what I can get out of it as it is. I mean, it's got the 2S high voltage LiPo in it, 50C I think it is, but it's 5,300 milliamp hour, so it gives it longevity. But you know, there might be a better choice of battery, because it was one of those oval ones, you know, like the Tamiya ones that fit all Tamiyas, where the square ones don't really fit, do they? So yeah, we'll see. but it's got a much wider stance. That hit me in the face, that stone. It's a much wider stance with those extended hubs. So it seems to go and handle and turn pretty good, better than the original. It's got that different like wing on the back, which again I think is a better over the standard. Did I say hot shot? Did I say it again? Oh, Thundershot. So we're just basically wearing out the battery because it's fully charged. Yeah, so you're going to see a few shots of this just driving along while I'm walking back home, to be honest. When I stop, the dog does nothing but whinge, as most labs do. So it's got some poke, but I don't think it's got top speed. Maybe a bigger, I think what I can do is go for like a bigger pinion. That's about it. At least it's cooler now. Man, has it been hot. Ridiculously hot. You know, I'm from those parts of the world to get used to, you know, this type of heat. It must be well into the 90s, or touching the 90s at least, with like 30, we do it in 33 degrees. So if you double it and add 30, so roughly where it needs to be. Right, so I think that would conclude this video today. Let me know what you think. Sky. And we'll catch you up soon on the speed run. Well, it's not an official speed run, is it? But just see how fast we can get it going. Come here, Sky. So I'll see you soon. So please share the channel. If you want to subscribe, it'd be good. But share the channel to like-minded people. Spread the word. And we'll see this car very soon. Bye for now.